Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix game bar if it's not recording in Windows 11. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, I'm going to go to your search bar and type down system updates. And I'll go ahead and click on check for updates right here. And then once that's done, make sure that you install all available updates. Okay. Install everything right here. Now go ahead and go to advanced options. Also install all available optional updates. Okay. If there are a list of updates right here, make sure that you install them. And then once that's done, or once every update is installed, you can now go ahead and restart your computer. Restart. And then after that, once your computer boots up, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down game bar. Now click on, in the right panel, we have app settings. Scroll down a bit, click on terminate, and then click on repair. Wait for it, and go ahead and test it out, okay? And check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, go ahead and go back to the same setup page, click on terminate and reset. Reset, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, close this one, find game bar, open it up, go ahead and test it out and make sure that you have a game opened, okay? And once done, click on record right here and you should be good to go. And that is how you fix Xbox game bar if it's not recording in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.